Are you preparing for the ServiceNow Certified Implementation Specialist IT Service Management Certification exam? Let's test your knowledge with ServiceNow Certified Implementation Specialist IT Service Management exam practice questions covering incidents, problems, changes, requests, knowledge, service level management, and core ITSM concepts. Check your answer after every ServiceNow Certified Implementation Specialist IT Service Management exam question. Keep track of your score and strengthen your understanding as you go. For more practice questions and complete exam preparation, visit Study for Exam using the link in the description. Let's begin with question 1. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of incident management in ServiceNow? A. Identify the root cause of every issue. B. Restore normal service operation as quickly as possible. C. Approve all financial transactions. D. Design new business applications. Correct answer, B. Restore normal service operation as quickly as possible. Explanation. Incident management focuses on restoring normal service as quickly as possible and minimizing the impact on business operations. Identifying the underlying root cause is primarily associated with problem management. Question 2. Which process is primarily responsible for identifying and managing the underlying cause of recurring incidents? A. Incident management. B. Problem management. C. Request management. D. Knowledge management. Correct answer, B. Problem management. Explanation. Problem management focuses on identifying the underlying causes of incidents and preventing them from recurring. A problem can be identified from one major incident or multiple related incidents. Question 3. A user needs access to a standard software application that follows an approved fulfillment process. Which ITSM process should normally handle this requirement? A. Incident management. B. Service request management. C. Problem management. D. Change management. Correct answer, B. Service request management. Explanation. Service request management handles standard user requests, such as requesting access, equipment, information, or approved services through established fulfillment processes. Question 4. What is the primary purpose of change management? A. Record every user question. B. Control changes to reduce risk and disruption. C. Delete old incidents. D. Create knowledge articles automatically. Correct answer, B. Control changes to reduce risk and disruption. Explanation. Change management provides a structured approach for assessing, approving, implementing, and reviewing changes while minimizing risks to services and business operations. Question 5. Which type of change is typically pre-authorized because it is low risk, well understood, and follows a defined procedure? A. Emergency change. B. Normal change. C. Standard change. D. Unplanned change. Correct answer. C. Standard change. Explanation. A standard change is generally low risk, repeatable, and well documented. Because it follows an established process, it can receive pre-authorization according to organizational policies. Question 6. An unexpected outage is affecting a critical business service and requires immediate action. Which type of change may be appropriate? A. Standard change. B. Emergency change. C. Scheduled request. D. Knowledge change. Correct answer, B. Emergency change. Explanation. Emergency changes are used when urgent action is required to address situations such as major incidents, critical security vulnerabilities, or serious service disruptions. Question 7. What is the purpose of service level management? A. Monitor and manage agreed service performance. B. Replace the CMD. B. C. Create user passwords. D. Develop custom operating systems. Correct answer. A. Monitor and manage agreed service performance. Explanation. Service level management helps organizations define, monitor, and report on service commitments and performance against agreed service levels. Question 8. What does an SLA generally define? A. A commitment related to service performance or fulfillment. B. A database schema. C. A programming language. D. A network cable configuration. Correct answer. A. A commitment related to service performance or fulfillment. Explanation. A service level agreement defines expectations and commitments between a service provider and customer, such as response or resolution targets. Question 9. Which ServiceNow capability can help agents find solutions to common issues? A. Knowledge management. B. Change approval. C. User administration. D. Asset disposal. Correct answer. A. Knowledge management. Explanation. Knowledge management provides searchable articles and information that can help users and service agents resolve issues more efficiently. Question 10. An incident has been resolved and the user confirms that service has been restored. What should happen next? A. Close the incident according to organizational procedures. B. Convert every incident into a problem. C. Delete the incident. D. Create an emergency change automatically. Correct answer. A. Close the incident according to organizational procedures. Explanation. Once an incident has been resolved and required confirmation or closure criteria are met, it can be closed according to the organization's incident management process. Question 11. What is a major benefit of categorizing incidents consistently? A. Better reporting, routing, and trend analysis. B. Automatic hardware replacement. C. Elimination of all incidents. D. Removal of service level targets. Correct answer. A. Better reporting, routing, and trend analysis. Explanation. Consistent categorization helps organizations route incidents to appropriate teams, analyze trends, identify recurring issues, and produce meaningful reports. Question 12. A large number of incidents are being reported for the same underlying application issue. What should the IT organization consider creating? A. A problem record. B. A new user account. C. A standard request. D. A knowledge category only. Correct answer. A. A problem record. Explanation. When multiple incidents appear to share an underlying cause, problem management can investigate the issue and work toward identifying and addressing its root cause. Question 13. What is the purpose of prioritizing an incident? A. Determine the appropriate level of attention based on impact and urgency. B. Automatically close the incident. C. Delete low-priority users. D. Approve a change. Correct answer. A. Determine the appropriate level of attention based on impact and urgency. Explanation. Incident priority helps determine how quickly an incident should be addressed. It is commonly based on factors such as business impact and urgency. Question 14. A service desk receives an incident affecting an entire business department. How should the agent determine its priority? A. Consider the incident's impact and urgency. B. Always assign the lowest priority. C. Use the caller's job title only. D. Close the incident immediately. Correct answer. A. Consider the incident's impact and urgency. Explanation. Priority should reflect the business impact and urgency of the issue. A widespread service disruption may require a higher priority than an isolated issue. Question 15. What is the purpose of a major incident process? A. Coordinate rapid response to incidents with significant business impact. B. Handle routine password requests only. C. Replace all standard changes. D. Archive knowledge articles. Correct answer? A. Coordinate rapid response to incidents with significant business impact. Explanation. Major incident management coordinates people, communication, escalation, and technical response when an incident has significant impact on business services. Question 16. Why are assignment groups important in ServiceNow ITSM? A. They help route work to the appropriate team. B. They automatically resolve every incident. C. They replace service catalogs. D. They remove user permissions. Correct answer? A. They help route work to the appropriate team. Explanation. Assignment groups identify the teams responsible for handling records such as incidents, problems, and changes. Proper assignment improves workflow and resolution times. Question 17. A service desk agent finds a knowledge article that completely resolves an incident. What is a benefit of using that article? A. It can help provide a consistent and efficient resolution. B. It automatically changes the user's password. C. It removes the incident from the system. D. It creates a new service automatically. Correct answer. A. It can help provide a consistent and efficient resolution. Explanation. Knowledge articles capture reusable information and proven solutions. Using them can help service agents resolve similar incidents more consistently and efficiently. Question 18. What is the purpose of the service catalog? A. Provide users with a structured way to request available services and items. B. Store only incident records. C. Replace the CMD. B.D. Monitor network traffic. Correct answer, A. Provide users with a structured way to request available services and items. Explanation. The service catalog presents available services, products, and request options to users. It can support standardized request fulfillment workflows. Question 19. Why should organizations review ITSM performance metrics? A. To identify trends and opportunities for process improvement. B. To eliminate all service desk employees. C. To disable SLAs. D. To prevent reporting. Correct answer. A. To identify trends and opportunities for process improvement. Explanation. Metrics such as resolution time, incident volume, SLA performance, and request fulfillment can help organizations identify bottlenecks and improve ITSM processes. Question 20. What is the best practice for maintaining an effective ServiceNow ITSM implementation? A. Continuously monitor processes, data, performance, and user feedback. B. Configure the platform once and never review it. C. Disable reporting after implementation. D. Allow every process to use different standards. Correct answer, A. Continuously monitor processes, data, performance, and user feedback. Explanation. An effective ITSM implementation requires continuous improvement. Organizations should monitor process performance, maintain quality data, review user feedback, and adjust workflows as business requirements evolve. Great job completing these ServiceNow Certified Implementation Specialist IT Service Management Exam practice questions. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments. For more ServiceNow Certified Implementation Specialist IT Service Management Exam practice questions, detailed explanations, and complete exam preparation, visit Study for Exam using the link in the video description. Thanks for watching. If this video helped with your ServiceNow Certified Implementation Specialist IT Service Management Exam preparation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more certification practice videos. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and good luck with your exam.